Welcome. In front of me is a T-Mobile T-phone, and today I'll show you how we can go through the setup of this brand new device. So once you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the welcoming page as this one, and all you need to do here is find your desired language, which is basically the language of the entire phone. So, I'm going to be sticking with English, there we go, and then I can select Start. This will then allow me to insert a SIM card. Obviously this is not a requirement, and it shows up here just because inserting a SIM card and using your mobile network is one of the ways you can later on connect to Google account, and the other method would be using Wi-Fi. I'll be skipping both of them, so Google login page will not show up for me whatsoever. And as you can see, there's the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna set it up offline. Additionally, date and time won't be set automatically, as you can see right here, so you can fix it up if it's incorrect. If it's correct, I'll leave it as it is, and then we can go to the next page. So we have Google Services, Location, Scanning, Sending User and Diagnostic Data. Enable them or disable them if you don't want them. From there, go all the way down and select Accept. This will then prompt you to set up a screen lock. So by default it opts into a 4-digit PIN, but you can select right here, screen lock options, and also choose from pattern or password. Or obviously, if you don't want to select any kind of screen lock, you can skip it. And there we go, this finishes up the setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.